Indian troops have arrested over a dozen people during massive cordon and search operations in several areas of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops conducted operations leading to the arrest of several individuals. State Investigation Agency under New Delhi's control has attached the property of two more civilians in the Poonch district. Bharatiya Janata Party, Hindu extremist party, fears losing the elections in occupied Kashmir, the political analyst said. According to Kashmir Media Service, the analysts have claimed that the BJP-led Modi administration is running from dealing with the oppressed Kashmiris as a result of its defeat. Political experts and analysts in occupied Kashmir have voiced their opinion that India has been the primary obstacle to peace in South Asia since its independence in 1947, arguing that New Delhi's hegemonic agenda poses a significant threat to regional stability. These experts and analysts, speaking to the Kashmir Media Service, highlighted that the threats to the regional peace have escalated dramatically since the BJP-led government came to power. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has reiterated that only dialogue between Pakistan and India can bring peace to occupied Kashmir and the South Asian region at large. According to Kashmir Media Service, Farooq Abdullah in a media interview in Srinagar stated that incidents like the recent assault on the Indian Air Force convoy have plagued the region for several months. A man in the Rajouri district has been booked using a virtual private network VPN application on his mobile phone. According to Kashmir Media Service, Mazhar Iqbal was charged under the relevant sections of the Indian Penal Code. Mysterious death of a youth due to drowning in the Udhampur district has sparked protest by his family members who allege murder and have blocked the Dhar road in the district. According to the police, the deceased, identified as Akhil Kumar, had gone to collect sand from the river with two other persons.